Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is a monthly reading for Cancer or Karkat Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Cancer or Karkat Rashi for the month of August 2025. So Cancer, I see you guys trying to balance a lot of things, trying to attain stability on a lot of things. Some of you are trying to attain that work-life balance in your life. There is a very much a motherly kind of energy, which is basically, your energy. Cancers are the mothers of the zodiac. So, because you get the Queen of Pentacles as your theme for the month. So, a very warm, nurturing kind of energy. So, this card basically suggests you are gonna be in your own self, in your own power this month. You're gonna be yourself, and which is actually good. You being in your own energies basically means that you will be in your power. Things are going according to you, and you will be driving a lot of things this month. Now the other energy that is there is the Three of Swords. So for some of you, or it is for most of you, there will be some sort of pain involved. There could be some sort of heartbreak involved this month. We will look into it as we go and into the other cards, but let's look at what comes for you in career and finances. And the card that comes in your career and finances is the Nine of Cups. So very positive, very warm kind of energy, very fulfilling kind of energy. So many of you feel that whatever you have in your career and your finances is very much what you wish for, what you wanted in your life, and you are quite satisfied with that currently, or at least you're gonna be this month. So yeah, good energies when it comes to your career and finances. So yeah, when it comes to your love and relationships, again I see you guys not taking much action here. There is a lot of planning involved, lot of thinking involved, but not much action. Many of you are still trying to understand a lot of things when it comes to your career and finances. When it comes to your love and relationships. But I definitely see that there is not much action involved here. A very some of you are holding yourself back for a reason that you are aware of and not. And this reason again, I'm just guessing, could very much be you trying to understand things much more clearly, much more better, trying to attain that transparency and clarity in your emotional spectrum, and then take a step. So now you're currently holding yourself back. Now when it comes to your health, there is nothing much negativity here. Very positive kind of energy, although for some of you, you could be presented with a choice. You have to make a choice when it comes to your health, and this choice that is coming towards you is basically being driven towards you by the divine itself, by the universe itself. So yeah, you will be presented with the choice when it comes to your health this month. Now the other energies that is there is of the Two of Cups. So yeah, there is a transaction happening career and finance wise. Okay, you could be there is someone in your workplace, or in your, if you're a student, this could also mean in your school or your institution. You have a friend or a classmate but there is this exchange of energies between you and this person, and this will kind of help you to attain more stability, more emotionally, and not just emotionally, overall stability is there, overall fulfillment, the sense of fulfillment is there. Because like with the Knight of Cups, this is a Nine of Cups, sorry, this means that there is a sense of wish being fulfilled. So even if you're a student, this could definitely mean that things are going quite well. You are like hitting the spots, you are reaching the goals, whatever you have aimed for, you have completed all that, or you are about to complete all that, and there is a sense of fulfillment and happiness involved. Now the other cause that is there is, again, I definitely see very much holding yourself back, still planning, still thinking things through, not taking much action, but a lot of energies are up here. Even if you're married, I see you guys not taking action towards something that needs your attention, and you are basically providing that attention, but definitely no action here. You are like kind of in your comfort zone currently, and you're not willing to leave your comfort zone without proper research, without proper clarity and transparency, and this is what is leading you to not move forward and hold yourself back. Now the other energies that is again there is of the devil, a very heavy kind of energy, a very cyclic and repetitive kind of energy. This energy, the energy of the devil, is not actually a very good kind of energy, very it's very binding kind of energy. This energy lingers, this energy doesn't go very easily, the devil energy. So there is something in your life, some aspect in your life that you are like you are going again and again within it, and you're not able to get out of it. The devil also signifies that you might not be aware that you are going in cyclic patterns, you're doing the same wrong things again and again, and it takes a lot of willpower to get out of this equation. So the only way to, like in most cases, the only way to get out of this situation is embracing the divine. You need to focus your energies on your subconscious, on your on the divine, on the universe, and slowly but surely you will get out of this situation. But it will take some time. It will definitely take some time to get out of this energy. For some of you, there is an element of addiction as well here. So yeah, but I would seriously suggest you to focus on that, to you know uh, take medical help if you have to, take counseling and sessions if you have to. But yeah, do prioritize this as much as possible. Now the energy that you should be focused upon this month is the Eight of Wands. So yeah, definitely action. You need to take action. Enough of planning, enough of research, enough of diving deep. It's high time you take action. You just can't keep on planning all the time. There has to be a moment when you have to take action, when you have to get things started, take initiatives, and this is high time. Also, for many of you, this could also mean that some sort of message or communication will be coming your way this month. But definitely, most of you should take action. This is high time. I'm repeating again. This is high time. You must take action towards whatever you have been planning to take action towards. And yeah, although there would be some pain involved, and this pain could be the reason of you holding yourself back. But even though the pain is there, even though the heartbreak is there, you can't just hold yourself back forever for this pain. Pain comes, pain goes away. I understand it's hard to get over it. It takes time to heal things. But as see, in most cases, the easiest way to get out of these painful situations is to take action to keep moving forward. If you stick on, if you hold on to that pain is never gonna go away. So this is high time for you to take action. So yeah, uh, Cancer. Now let's look at what advice or messages is coming your way this month from the Oracle cards. Yep. See, right now is the moment. This is exactly the moment you are when you are supposed to take action. Stay in the present and don't get too far ahead of the flow. You will soon trust that nothing more will come then can be handled each moment. So yeah, this is the right time. This is the right moment to take action. You are done with the planning. You're done with the planning, entire planning phase and plotting phase, and this is high time you take action. All the cards pretty much signify that. So yeah, that would be all for your reading, Cancer. And I hope the reading resonated with you. If it resonated with you, do leave a like and comment to claim the reading. Also, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.